Nigeria nti era wakwataganya n'aba Nigeria. YouTube yange eri okay. Eri very okay. Very okay. Leero jaziwuliramu cyangwa oli ez'obwereere. Go on my soul for me. Na. Go on my soul for me. A very good morning, my people. Hope you've been actually missing these live trading sessions, but yeah, I'd gotten some technical issues. But another thing that I remembered is that I could use another platform because the other one that I was using actually refused. And in most cases, I'm not someone who will actually take in time to organize. I'm saying people who want physical mentorship. Yeah, it's actually for 400 USD right now. You could actually join me. If I connect this light, then we start. I'm actually going to give you explanations on that setup, but since I'd also just woken up and trying to prepare this session here, uh, that's why you see I'm just organizing in some stuff here. Actually, where that market is right now, we could have in a buy and a sell. So let's just be on. I'm going to tell you why. I've been waiting for those setups that you see there. I know you people have been missing these live trading sessions that we were having. Yet I've been getting this. I've been getting these scalps every day. Yet we have been getting these scalps every single day, and you people have been missing out. A lot of people were like, could you bring back the live trading sessions? And we shall continue from today because I think I've set up these technical issues that I had, and we shall be having them at least 1 hour, 2 hours every day. We shall either trade London session or trade the New York session, one of the two. Uh, as long as I've got an entry. And another thing that you guys should not forget is that whenever we're here, even if we don't have an entry, it's always easy for me to guide you through. You know, I could tell you that when market reaches this zone, it will either buy or sell, because I know how this market could actually move. So now, when you look at this setup here, this setup is I was waiting for a buy, whereas where market is right now, it could be a continuation of a sell. Okay, at this point I had in my zones there at 4,819. It could be a continuation of a sell, then I buy from this level. At this level, what do I have? I have my support. Let me check. What do I have there? What do I have there? I'm having a support level. I'm having a support zone here, okay, at 48860, and I also have cost quote level in 1 hour, right? Let me show you. 1 hour, we're having a fair value gap, and remember I told you they are very, 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 very useful, okay, more so in our scalping things here. And if they are useful here, you should know that we're just looking for the cost encroachment level, which is the 50% of this fair value gap. And yeah, I'm expecting market to buy from this zone here. Those people who could actually try into, if you feel like you want in that scalp, that sell zone has been, let me note it down here. That sell level has been is here around 4,819, 4,820. Yeah, because let me tell you one thing. There is some account that I was growing from yesterday. But remember, there are some things that I told you that you guys should add into your trading strategy, and we have I think something like the moving averages. If you check your 1 hour, your 1 hour 800 moving average, okay? Because for me, I think the length I put in 800, then the color is purple. Could anyone let me see how many people we have on YouTube so that I can give you that trick? I don't know what you'll give me. Let me see how many people. If you have in some, we have in many people here. I'm willing to give you this trick so that you know how things. Let's see how many people we have on YouTube. So we are 30. That we are very few. We are very few. I would show you this trick. Actually, you are going to love it. Huh? You are going to love this trick. That's what I can tell you. You are going to love this trick. You are going to love it. That's what I can tell you. Okay, do this. Do this. Even if we are few. Okay. I want you to do this. Okay. Open your MT5. Open your MT5s. Then after opening your MT5s, do you know how to add in indicators? Do you guys know how to add in indicators? I'm going to give you only one thing, and I want to teach you how to use it. That's what I can tell you. Hmm? I just want to show you something, okay? I want to show you how someone can easily get free money. Which time frame was it? I remember selling. Um, which time frame was that? Let me check. This is exponential. If I put in a simple, then I see. Okay. I'm going to give you this one trick, okay? I'm giving it to these people on YouTube, okay? Pay attention to detail. Hmm? Pay attention to detail. I'm giving you this one trick, okay? Go to your MT5s. Go to your MT5s. When you open your MT5s, okay? I want you to go on where you can add in indicators. But why do I give it to you? Uh, people who know Uganda, there is something they call obutagaliza. It's the one thing that I'm on here. I wanted to show you one thing here. Okay. Okay, go to your MT5s. Open, go where you can add in indicators, okay? I want you to add in a moving exponential. No, they call them moving average, okay? I'm going to give you one. Put in that moving average, okay? Then I'm giving you settings for it, okay? I'm giving you settings for it. I'm giving you one, and I'm not even teaching you how to use them, so that okay. Come to where there is come to its settings, okay? Come to period, put in 800, okay? On shift, you leave 0. On method, you put in simple. Then here where you have apply to, put in close. Then for the color, you put it color purple so that it matches with mine. There is something I want to show you, and it is very serious. And it's very easy. You're going to see that you're going to be making simple like money in an easy way. So could you guys do what I've told you? I want to show you something right now. I want to show you something. Please do it, because never them mbaweke ekyo. Yeah, go to your MT5s, put in a little bit. So guys, do that. I want to show you something. Please, please, please. You do that. There is something I want to show you, and it is very serious. I want to show you how money can be made in an easy way. Do that, please. If you're done, you tell me. Someone is saying, please repeat the procedure. The procedure is go to your MT5, add in an indicator, okay? And to add in an indicator, I think you guys know how to add in indicators in MT5s. So the indicator I want you to add in is a moving average. You search moving average, okay? When you search moving average, come on period, you put 800, okay? On shift, you leave 0. On method, you could see they have smoothened, line weight, exponential. You put in simple, okay? On apply to, you leave close. For the color, you put in color purple. I want to show you something very serious. I want to show you free money. So could you please do that? I want to show you something here. I want to show you free money. And whatever I give you here on my live streams, I have a lot of things that I can give you actually, and they simplify your your trading. But I don't give them here for free. I give them in my mentorship sessions. But there is this thing I want you to put in. I want to show you something. And I got entries there, and I've been using it for some good time. And if you back test it, you will see that it will make sense. It will actually make sense to you. These things, they won't just give them to you for free maybe, but I want to give you this one thing so that you could know when to use it. I normally use in like 5 moving averages in my trading view, and that's what they call a BTMM concept, be the market maker. Okay, it works with using the moving averages. Even banks, big banks, there are some moving averages that they actually use. So I want to give you this one. Then after you guys putting it in, I want to show you something. Could you please put it in? Have you guys put it in? I want now to explain. But you're too fast. We are done. People are done. People are done. ME. Someone music. You're slow. People are done. Okay. You people who are done, okay? I want to show you one thing. Go to your 1 hour, okay? Look at that purple moving average. When the price tapped on it, it dropped. And it was a very good sniper entry. I have entries that I took at that same level. It was actually that move happened in the Asian session. Okay, could you guys tell me if you've seen that when market tapped there, it just dropped? If I don't need like everyone to, put in that thing. You will come and watch the video later. I want only a few people to maybe tell me that they have seen what I'm telling them so that I can explain. When that's 1 hour, you check in the 1 hour time frame, you will see that purple moving average, when the price tapped on it, it just dropped from there. I need only like 5 people to confirm. Confirmed when I said confirmed, but you're not on YouTube. I am an institutional trader, out here trader, bro. I do all. Even that order flow, I do it. But I just relaxed, got in what I feel comfortable with. Yeah, actually it was selling. I needed only 5 people. So now these 5 people or 10 people who have actually seen that thing. Have you observed? Have you observed that once market tapped on that moving average, it what? It sold. Let me look for another time frame. There is no one going to give you this stuff. But let me tell you, it's a very simple and interesting strategy that everyone could actually use and make money. That's what when you hear people saying BTMM what and what, it's the thing. But we combine them. So for me, I have a lot of concepts that I actually use. I wanted to show you one thing here. because me, I'm seeing a lot. I'm having in a lot in my MT5, but I wanted to show you that one that I gave you in maybe another time frame so that you could actually confirm something. Because when I tell you to maybe look in the 5 minutes, you might fail because I've not. Okay, that's a moving average when it is in. You check in the 5 minutes also on your MT5. You please observe how it has been reacting on those candlesticks, how it reacts. Could you observe how it reacts? Even you could come in the 15-minute time frame, also observe how it reacted. You're going to tell me. Things are always very simple and easy. It's you who make them hard. It's you guys who make things hard. You just put it in up. There are some few things that I actually use, and they could actually be very helpful to you, but you guys maybe don't have them, or maybe I also don't give them out. But let me tell you one secret with me when I'm teaching you, or when I'm giving you something very crucial and serious. It takes time for me to give someone maybe uh, the things that I actually use. But whenever I give them to you and I tell you you use them well, you should actually consider what I'm giving you, because it's what I also use. Okay. Now I had a lot of concepts, but I'd felt now in the morning we were buying gold. I was with my colleague, he's there in the UK, and we were buying gold. So he was like, he was buying, and I told him I'm waiting for a sale. Okay, but when you check on where that moving average was, I knew it was going to sell from there because of the liquidity that was swept, what and what. But I had no other confluence to support my answer. Okay, but since I've been using them for a while, once it tapped, my entries are on this phone that I'm using on live, and maybe this phone doesn't have that account. But and for me, it's easy for me to flip an account. Now that account that I was trading, that account that I was trading, I flipped it from 500 USD. I could show it to you here. To it's now going to 2K, but that was in the morning. I was actually from back, from taking Isha, and I already see these entries. For me, Asia session is it's not that easy, but it's easy for me when I have in a lot of concepts. Okay. Now, what we are seeing right here is this setup. I told you where this market is, or where you see that I'd marked this zone here. I had thought of buying in the morning at this zone, but I told you whenever market reaches a zone, it needs again to confirm. So when it reached this zone, the way you see, I've removed a lot of stuff here. I don't put them here, but when it reached my zone, these candles closed bearish. Okay, when they closed bearish, it means I'm having in sales from that point. Okay, and since I wanted to buy and I see gold is bullish, I told you I waited for this. I'm waiting for this 1 hour FVG to wait for this cost crossment level. That's one. I'm also having my support zone at that point of 4788.60. And I remove those stuff because I don't want everyone to get things that I use. But for the entries, I'm already here with you to share you these entries. And now the good thing is we're just waiting for the price to react. What time is it? 11:38. I made money in the morning, but I will also make money with you. If you feel like I want to drop with it, you can drop with it to our buying level. It's okay. So that thing that I've given you is what we call. Let me see some YouTube comments. Yeah, it has confirmed the indicator. I see a guy using it too. Yeah, but I'm a star. I've been using those things for a very long time. I've bought lands in those concept that I'm giving you. I've bought cars, I've bought a lot of stuff, which I actually don't show, but I've merely learned. You don't need to be having those hard concepts to make money in the market. Never. And nowadays, gold is very good because for gold, you can actually make money in an easy way, okay? Because gold is heavy. You just need to have it. You know, I'm having in 0.0.3 that I've actually brought in $1,000. The ones that I got from that move actually. You don't need to know those hard concepts. You need a few working concepts. You need to simplify. You need to to simplify your trading if you actually want to make money from this game here. So now, and also patience, the level of patience I have. You know that for this buy entry, you know how long I'm going to, I'm still waiting, but you know how many pips are down here? Probably something like 250 pips. But I'm acting cool. I'm patient. I'm waiting for the structure to form up. I'm waiting for for the imbalance to be taken out. I'm waiting for a lot of things for me to do what? To enter. So do you know what that means? It means the level of patience I have, bro. I can literally make money. I told you from where the market is right now, it confirmed the sales. But the reason why I've not given sales, I could give out at this sale setup. I could give out this sales setup and then we buy, but it's not what I have in my mind. So you could take a screenshot of this buy. When I get off live, you should be having it. For the sale, people on TikTok, you're missing out. We are live trading on YouTube. You could actually join us because we'll be having in these sessions every single day. I was actually lost. Should I say lost? Okay, I was busy. For me, even if I don't give out these setups, may actually make money on my end. Okay, and people were like, "Bro, bring back the live trading sessions," because people were benefiting. Okay, okay. This sale setup is here. Okay, but it has already moved in some pips. Maybe if they will come back and retest. So put it in mind. You're having two zones here. You could either sell and we buy, but for me, I'm not selling. I'm waiting for that buy zone here on the 1 hour where they put this imbalance here. When they cover each up, I want to enter. I'm having in some good comments here on YouTube. Manager Fori said, "Bro, I appreciate your work. What do you talk about order flow? Order flow is good. I was using it before, but I decided, in forex trading, it's you to decide what 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 you will feel, what makes money for you. Okay, order flow was good. The time I was using it, I think I used it in those people were following me. I was using it on 2024 there, out even 2023. I started using order flow in 2023, but to me, I like what I use right now. Yeah. And those people who jump and say in Uganda here, those people who will jump to you and say, we trade like banks, we do what and what, bro. Relax. We have tried concepts. Do you think we could reach this level when we have not tried concepts? So for me, I know what's actually better for me. Having in Danny Dan said superstar. Yeah, thank you. Chabagu Solomon said Weber is civil. Bro Kevin said, you're a star. Of course I'm a star. Just that I don't show off. Eric said, no need to hide your strategy. No, there is a need. Eric Ike said, the market is enough for us. You and who? So I put money to make this research. You want things for free, Eric? Eric said, "Okay, you're right, but on a regular person." Okay. Surprise board game said confirmed. Yeah. That's cool. So with the time, the more we be here, you never know. I'll give you more, but Okay, let me also tell you what I use that concept for. Actually, I use it to get sniper entries like what you saw. You people always ask, how do you flip $10 to 1,000? How do you flip maybe $1 to maybe some good amount? Okay, those they have some few simple tricks that I use. Now, like that moving average that I've given you, bro. It has worked for me today. You never know tomorrow it will come to the same zone because markets free test. They will come back to the same zone. You also get that sniper entry. So never ask me how do you get sniper entries. I use a lot of things. More so that one that I've given you. Now don't you see that it was a sniper entry? Mm. 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 Hacker. Royal said we we are saving the money we are making with you to buy land. You people buy cars nowadays. It's raining. Huh? So Alan said, "Bad boy, bad boy." Yeah, umtitimbe kwa cash zako ina. Man, things usually get hard. That's why some of us opt for account management. Yeah, you could join me. Could help you out if you're having some capital. Yeah, but I hope you guys you're now getting what I've told you, okay? You guys always ask how do we get sniper entries? They're the same things. Easy things that we use. Let me tell you one thing. Yeah, someone can actually having that thing and maybe using only BTMM and is it's what he's using only and is and he's always bragging with it, bro. Someone's Kawai said Stuart go to the 30 minutes time frame. It was a great sniper. What's there? 30 minutes? Maybe for a buy. You want to say for a buy? I don't know. When you could actually check, you could actually zoom back and check how it was working. Okay, you could see there are things that I've actually not shared with you, but this thing comes in line. Okay, these people on TikTok. Let me show one. Let me show you this. Are you seeing how many I have? I have like 5 of them in my chat. Are you seeing? Are you guys seeing? 5 of them. But it's not what I'm always looking at. It's not what I consider. Me, more someone I sit under SMC because I'm a trader, but also adding in price action, then BTMM, and also some other confluences. Uh, uh, this is great. That's from Sekeba Muhammad. Royo said, omukwano mungi okuva mu SSD bro. You're from some South Sudan. That's good. That's good. SFX trade. The way you inspire me, bro. Big up. Thanks, bro. But I let me let I don't want to only inspire you. I want you to make money. I want you to make money because how do we pay to learn to also learn that's from this name is hard. But the link is in bio for my telegram. And I also want to pass this thing here, guys. We're having in a lot of scammers that are actually in my name, okay? I've also seen in some telegrams. My telegram is Freepwave Forex Academy, but a lot of people have made in a lot of Stuart FX groups there with my logos, and they're actually scamming people. Oh, scamming people. They're scamming you. They tell you bring $50. By the end of the week, you will have $700. I don't do that kind of investment. Never. Mm. I don't send your money to people. So, my people on TikTok, we are live trading on YouTube, and we having people here. We having over 63 people here. So even you, the 30 here, you could come join. See the setup I'm having for you today. When you check our previous lives, I think if we made a loss, it was I think one, which I actually also don't remember. So with live trading, I'm good. That's what I can tell you because when I give you a signal, I give signals, of course, but I saw someone complaining. I think it was like a newbie maybe. He said, "You see you see the signals that I give out, that I give, they can actually move, let's say, 200 pips in profits, and I get out. Yet I mark, let's say, 1,000 pips, and people be waiting for the 1,000 pips. This is gold. When you make, let's say, when you get 100 pips, 200 pips of gold, bro, chill. People triple accounts then stay in because I mark the take profit. I'm also not, the market maker, bro. I'm also a trader like you. Yeah. Raymond Bukenya said, I've been on TikTok and I was inspired by you. Thanks, bro. Thanks. Uh, Staron said, but you rarely reply WhatsApp messages. I'm sorry for that. You could either try my Snapchat because I actually use it a lot. But that case for WhatsApp, bro, I get a lot of inboxes. Every single day I get a lot. So I'm very sorry for that. I haven't even messages of happy birthday in 2024, 2025 that I didn't reply. So for that, I'm sorry. But if you keep on sending, I see. Um, Mawanda Frank, Jojo Chario, he asks, so bro, in which session does the indicator work? Now, that indicator doesn't have a session. Mm-mm. It doesn't have a session. It's not like these things of these concepts that we use where we trade maybe London session, New York session. Here it's not like that. Mm. It's not like that. For it works in any session. That's what I can tell you. That's what I can tell you. It works in any session as long as it reaches. And that one that I've given you. Let me also tell you this, bro. It takes time to reach on that one. Hey, I have the ones that don't take time, but for that one, it's very good. It's very perfect, but they take time. More so in higher time frames. Okay, if you think or if you want to know, okay, what I'm talking about, go to your daily time frame. Go to your daily time frame. Check how it operated, how it gave out those sniper entries. You're going to tell me. You do it. That moving average that I gave you. Go to your daily time frame. You're going to see. You're going to see the power there. And I've told you that, but I've not also checked it. So let me go to the daily. But I know. Okay. Now, for the daily, you're going to see that it has taken over like a year even. Hmm? A year plus, like 2 years even, without reaching again to that 800 moving average. But you could check the buy they gave. I was there. I was there because that time I'd started trading. But you check on 1832, you could check those buys that it gave. Till now, the market is buying. But for those buys, I was there, I was looking, but I'm not in. I'm actually not in, but you could check. You could check. You could actually check and tell. You could check and tell. So I have things that I've observed. I'm giving you something that I've observed for years. Hmm? For years. Things that I've observed for years. Something that I've observed uh, for over 3 years. Meaning, if I've been using it for 3 years, it means it works. Hmm? It works. 3 years when you're on one thing, bro. It means it works for you. It means it works for you. If I've observed it for some good time, it means it works for me. I have my people on TikTok. You could please subscribe. If you want to be on TikTok, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, bro. Hmm? Let's make it to 3.7 today. Only 4 people remaining. You people are not subscribing. Even people on TikTok. I found someone at office and we are about to fight. He was watching my content and benefiting and very happy with me. But he had not subscribed. Right to Markert. Hmm? Mulowooza nnyina gye ndaga. Hmm? Subscription oyina emu toyagala ggiwa munno. Hmm? People don't be bad. So this thing is coming back to that sell entry there. I'm telling you that this thing here, it's coming back to that level, but I don't I don't recommend it that much, whereas it could work for you. The good thing, those people who started with me, you've had me well. You've had me well. I told you I'm waiting for the buy zone. The buy zone is there. 1 hour FVG, what and what. I explained a lot, and I told you I had to buy from where the market is heading in the morning. But when it came, it just confirmed the sales because it closed below my entry and it showed that it will sell, and it even retested. Okay. But when you check, the only thing that I hate about these brokers, the trading view brokers, let me tell you this thing, by the way. Let me tell you this thing. You should also note it in your heads. One thing I hate about trading view brokers, the ones that we use to trade, they manipulate. They manipulate their candles, not the ones that you deposit your money. Now, like let's say for example, we have here forex.com. We also have Owanda, the ones that we use to make analysis. They always bring in different things. They can even make you mess up. They bring different things. Because now I'm checking here, this broker is Owanda and fx.com. They are not in line with what I want. They are all showing different stuff, but they at that point of 22 there, 2022 there. If market reaches again, you could actually sell and get some good pips. But that one is not our setup for the day. The setup for the day is a buy, which is at this level of 4788, 4786. There is our setup for the day. This one, if at all it works out for you, then well and good. But it's not what we are looking at today. It's not what we are basing on so much. So you should know it. Put it in your mind as you enter that trade. It's here. I'm seeing it. It's coming back. It's coming back. It's coming back. Because now, when I put for you on forex.com here, it shows that it has reached. But when I put for you on Owanda, it will show something different. That it is remaining with some few 20 pips to reach the same level. Because me, I'm having I'm seeing from my phone here, okay? and it's showing it's still pumping a little bit to the entry level. So that's where brokers also confuse you. Mm. Use GE brokers is a bit better. What is a GE broker, bro? Or miss? Could you? There is okay. There are some things that I have in my charts. Okay, there are some things that I have in my chart, and they differ. So even that broker of yours could be putting them somewhere different. Yeah, I'm seeing some. Let me actually show you this thing here. Okay, even if it pushes a bit up, there is something I want to show you. Uh, let me show you something here to show how things could actually move. Now, are you seeing this kind entry? This is the buy level that we are talking about. Okay, and you could see now that carry action there. So there is a possibility for you guys to actually making money from that reaction that it's giving out. Okay, because here I'm seeing it was like reaching to that level. Here I see something different. Even forex trading is hard. If you're not decide if you're actually not someone who decides first, bro, you can actually you could actually run mad. You could run mad. And for me, I don't wait for, I just enter. I'm seeing it's making a resistance sales. Okay. I'm seeing shall the name is hard. You said 2 years, so we have to wait for that long again. No, it will work in smaller time frames, bro. You understand? Yeah. How are you free? This is Richard Nyanzi said, how are you free, pa? Followed you from 2023. Yeah, thanks, bro. I've been there since 2023. That's when I started Forex, actually. As you're old. But I'm not that old. I'm now 23. Mm, making 24 this year. Yeah, I've actually grown up now. Raymond Bukenya said, I would like to join even though someone made me know you. I'd like to be like you. May I know how to? Link is in bio, bro. Let me go. Sekeba Muhammad said, let me go a bit off topic. When are both servers coming back? I will tell you, bro. Uh, uh, you want my VIP? Link in bio. I'm having Samuel from Kigali. He's on. Thank you, bro. Mm-hmm. Forex Guanga B. Okay, let me tell you one thing. You know why? The reason why I was telling you, okay, that the market is showing you that it is selling, but I told you this is. I'm not giving you this as a warrant. Okay, I don't recommend it so much because this broker is showing another thing, then this broker is showing it will buy. Another broker is showing that it has not reached the level. So uh, you should not consider it that much. I know you're in some little profits, but you should not consider it that much. A lot of don't give that setup a lot of trust. It's faking a lot. Let me check the 15 minutes. Oh, 15 minutes. Okay, okay. Still the same thing. But what I wanted to show you also there is that are you guys aware that I'm always good at reaction trading? When I give a zone, in most cases, let me show you. In most cases, market reacts from there because I have my things there that I wait for. I see. I told these people that this setup is not a do or die. Like, we should not give it a lot of focus, but you could see that reaction from there. Mm? And a few people are in money, I know, but you could see how things work. So meaning, I know what I do, but I told you, it's showing. It's not a good one. I don't recommend it that much unless you guys want to risk. But I'm not a person who's recommending it that much. But what I wanted to show you that I always have entries whereby they could actually work out. eh? Those reaction trades, I have them. I can tell you that market can maybe buy from there, also from there, and it does that thing. And I can do it on a daily basis. That's what I think I'm actually showing you here. Okay, it has to just come to that level. Sorry, then confirm, then react. Let me see how long we have been here. Only 45 minutes. Yet I'm tired. Uncle, you are what? 23. I'm 23, bro. Born in 2002. Eric K said I wanted mentorship, but Bro ticked. Bro, I'm so sorry about that. Could you please send me a message again? Bro, I get a lot of messages. Sometimes. So, yeah. Kuzitiro afuna omukimu katika ugano okuba ali mumagoba. Kaunti badde mutaddemu 3-5. Meeting yokadde alina okuddukamu. People actually have made money. See, this account is now in 3,500 live trading. People are making money, bro. That's wonderful. One thing I told you about that setup that is moving, I don't second it that much. Even if it is now giving in some money, but I'm not in. I'm waiting for. Oh, bro. Ooh. Bro, it's dropping. So Stuart, what do you have in your mind? Oh, okay. When this market if it actually buys, okay, guys, don't forget to that they have to take out that Asian high. Yeah? Maybe in the New York session, market will take it out. So when you get a chance of your holder, okay. pips has it dropped? Bro, it's dropped. It has dropped in some. So now this is what I was talking about. Let me show you. Now, someone gives you a signal, okay? And this signal does this. And this signal does this. It has moved over 130 pips in profits. And you know that if they take profits, their final take profits at 50 pips, they take 10 pips. You understand? So you're having in this setup here, it has played. So I told you, that's why you people, I told you with live trading, I'm always good with live trading. You could see that reaction. That reaction. I told you, I'm having in a buy here, but a retest of sell, and it has done the same thing. So why don't you try to, like, you know, why don't you take time to maybe learn, or maybe ask what people use? Because you know what, someone telling you that market will drop from there, then it does it. It does not even manipulate it. They think it is easy. It's not easy. It's not easy. It's hard. Today I had to be with oh my god. Today I had to be with MOOB students, but I think why tori wakyamu soko nyamba oveeko. Joy, can you Joy first go off please. Simanyi kyadazze kukola ate bro. Bro, look at that. Look at that move, bro. Do you know how many pips are these so far? Oh my god. These are bro, 200 pips, man. Bro. Bro. Man. Look at that candlestick. Look at that candlestick. And you people then, after you say that Forex is a scam. Bro. You know, lot one would be giving you now 2000 USD right now. Man. I think we shall now resume our live trading sessions. Hope you have seen what I can actually make on live trading, bro. But this setup here, bro. Let me see this, guys. Should I now consider? Should I try to consider now or wonder? What should I do? Should I consider it? But I think let me see this one now. Of course they haven't tapped, so I won't fall for the trick. Let me just relax. I won't fall for the trick because I'm seeing these guys making in some trick here. Yeah, I won't go for the trick. But that's it. Those people who sold, please secure. That was a very good and perfect example to show you how things work. And also where it has gone, by the way, I didn't follow for that trap, but it had in some buying thingy which I didn't want to to go for, because it looked like a trap here. So they haven't tapped the, but they'll tap it. Guys, do you have guys on YouTube who have benefited from that sale, guys? Quote it live, bro. Thanks, bro. Yeah, I knew. Now there are some comments. There are some funny comments. Eh? You know, someone asked me, should I sell now? Now, bro, what should I tell you? Should I tell you that you should sell now? Huh? After people getting 200 pips, you actually they are not even only 200. After people getting 250 pips of profits, now what do you want to sell? You're just creating now problems for yourself. Someone saying they want signals, but they don't want the live. That's why they won't learn. So, people on YouTube, has anyone caught that sale move? You could guys share the profits in my inbox. Just screenshots, not money. For sure, eh? This was very good. And it was actually, you should take this signal as something that is it a learning. I think you learned something. You learned how maybe you didn't learn how my strategy works, but you learned how, okay, what I actually focus on before entering these trades. Eh? You actually, at least you knew that. Maybe you could actually now ask, why did I sell? Why am I waiting for the buyer, the FVG? Why am I doing this and this? The same thing. Me, I can trade every day because my concept works every single day. So we meet tomorrow because I'm a bit just waiting for these 3 minutes to make 1 hour, then I close. Also, these live trading sessions are not easy. Use a lot of energy. But let me tell you one thing before I go. This market is retesting some point here, then to buy. That's what I can tell you. It's just coming back to test some point here actually. But that's when you considering only the 15 minutes time frame. Eh? It's only coming to retest some zone. It's actually coming to the zone, then it buys from there. So, but I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm waiting for now 2 minutes. Let me close off. Money sell. So we catch up tomorrow. The same sessions. If you guys will be on. Sebo. Who? Hello? Hello?